Hello everyone, I'm Angelina Soren from Assam Don Bosco University, Department of MSc Physics. Here I'm going to present a topic based on nuclear binding energy and mass defect. So now let's see what is nuclear binding energy. The energy required to holding the nucleons together within the nucleus of an atom is called nuclear binding energy. Now, inside the nucleus, we have two kinds of particles, positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Since the nucleus has both the kinds of particles tightly held together, and we know that charged particles, they repel each other. When that we have neutrons, they won't have any effect. But the protons, they are close to each other and they must be having force of repulsion between them. Nuclear binding energy also be defined as the energy needed to separate the nucleons from each other. Now, importance of nuclear binding energy describes how strongly nucleons are bound to each other. If nuclear binding energy is high amount of energy is required to separate the nucleons. This means nucleus is very stable. On the other hand, if nuclear binding energy is low amount of energy is needed to separate the nucleons. This means nucleus is not very stable. Now we'll see about the mass defect. Mass defect is the difference in the mass of nucleus and its constituents, that is protons and neutrons. Now suppose we have a nucleus on one hand and the other hand we have its constituents, which are protons and neutrons as separate individuals. And if we calculate the mass of the nucleus, we will find that the mass of these individual particles, it is much greater than the sum of this nucleus. Although they are same, that nucleus is made up of those particles only, but however there is a difference in the mass of these separate individuals. This difference is called mass defect. It is denoted by delta M. Here is the formula for mass defect, that is delta M is equal to Z MP plus N Mn minus Ma. Mp is mass of a proton, Ma mass of a nucleus, small mn is mass of a neutron, capital Z is number of protons and capital N is number of neutrons. Nuclear mass is less than the sum of the masses of its constituents, as we have learned, and it is also known as excess mass. Now we'll understand with this example. In this case, we have all the nucleons data, the protons and neutrons as separate individuals. This is the mass of the proton and this is the mass of the neutron, and we have two protons and two neutrons. If we add the mass of all these particles, we'll get 4.0320 U, and when they are bound together in the nucleus, the mass of the nucleus becomes 4.0015 U, and we can see there is a difference between two masses. Mass of the nucleons is greater than the mass of the nucleus. This difference is called the mass defect, which here comes out to be equal to 0.0305 U. Now the relationship between the binding energy and mass defect is given by E is equal to delta mc square. E is binding energy, delta m is mass defect, and c is speed of light in joule. In nuclear physics, mass is measured in unified atomic mass unit. 1 U is equal to 931.5 MeV by c square. Here we converted 1 U in kg, that is 1 U is equal to 931.5 MeV by c square is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Here this is the formula for binding energy, that is Eb is equal to Zmp plus Nmn minus Ma into 931.5 MeV by U. The mean average binding energy of a nucleus is called binding energy per nucleon. Binding energy per nucleon is equal to binding energy EB by nucleon number A. So this is the formula for binding energy per nucleon is equal to delta mc square divided by A. Thank you.